Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry, this generation that you see right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where your gauges, fuses are located. If you have problems with gauges not working, you will need to check up to 3 fuses. We will explain where to find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So now the gauges, fuses, where they're located, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry guys, right here. You guys have 3 fuses that you need to check. That car is equipped with 2 fuse boxes. We'll work in just one that's under the hood. Open the hood guys, you will face the engine. On the right side, if we zoom in a little bit right here, you'll see one fuse box under this cover here. Open that cover and the fuse box will look just like this one here. Now, before we guys continue quickly, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the gauges, fuses guys, where you can expect to find them. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 1, that little bitty 5 amp fuse right here. You will need to check that fuse. Next you will need to find guys fuse number, so that's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, that fuse number 22, 15 amp fuse in our case. And then you will need to check fuse number 37, this 10 amp fuse in the corner guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.